Watch number 16 remains in effect until... The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jackson County in Florida, northeastern Washington County in Florida, Seminole County in southwestern Georgia until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 6:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:38 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 5:38 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of Cottonwood to 7 miles southeast of Vernon, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. Gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof.
Why won't you go off?
Locations impacted include
That's surprising.
Chipley, Graceville, Donaldsonville, Mariana, Bradford, Malone, Cottondale, Grand Ridge, Greenwood, Alfred, Wausau, Iron City.
I am literally
Isabel,
so glad
Northfield, Delwood, Donaldsonville,
that I had this recording.
Alabama, and Buena Vista.
Right, here we go.
A tornado watch remains.
We got the version 3 going off, we got the version 4 going off, and we got the other version 5 going off.
Standard time for
How that one?
southeastern Alabama, the panhandle of Florida, and southwestern Georgia. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
Like I said, that has been catching all the alerts.
Tornado go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Standard Time or 7:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties: Jackson, Florida, and Seminole, Georgia.
You Jackson County?
Tornado watch number 16 remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Significant weather advisory for Bay, Calhoun, Washington, and the Panhandle of Florida.